Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I power through my cleaning in just 1 hour. So if you are ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment letting me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning. So as you can see, I'm getting started with this power hour right here in the kitchen. I love starting in the kitchen. It just sets the tone for my cleaning day. And this day I actually wrote out me a to-do list, and as I went through my cleaning, I was checking it off, but I did not get to film that part for you guys. But this video is super special because it is in collaboration with one of my really good friends here, Lemae. So I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself right here.
Hi everyone, my name is Ebony and I am a mother to 2 beautiful boys, and I am also a military wife. And on my channel I post tons of cleaning motivation videos and home decor inspiration videos, and I post these videos every week. So if that's the type of content that you like, I would love to have you over at my channel. After you get through watching my beautiful friend's video, head on over to my channel. I can't wait to see you over there.
You guys, Ebony is a phenomenal mama, wife, entrepreneur, cleaner. She is so motivating, so inspiring, so sweet. She is literally one of my best friends in life, and I know you guys are going to enjoy her content just as much as I enjoy. So please head over to her channel, show her lots of love, let her know that Sean from Squeaky Clean Life sent you. I would truly appreciate it.
We got this. We got this.
Most of you have probably already noticed this pattern of me doing these power hours. This is just the direction that I want to take my channel because I don't have a lot of time to spend cleaning. I also don't want to spend my entire day trying to get my house together. So I like to go ahead and start out with a checklist every day and just go ahead and write down the things that are really important for me to do. And I power through those things in just 1 hour. Some days I may do a power hour in the morning and then do another in the evening to just tidy up the mess of the day. But this is a very productive way to do your cleaning, you guys, without having to spend so long cleaning.
What you saying? Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my...
If this is your very very first time watching my videos today, or if you're coming over from Ebony's channel, hi, welcome. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2, and I post weekly power hour cleaning videos to get you motivated to get up and tackle some cleaning, tackle your to-do list in just 1 hour. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, or if you're just feeling my vibe and want to subscribe, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know you're here so we can get to know each other. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every single time I upload.
I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming. Can't we just leave it right here, never to touch it again? Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
Now on to the dining area. My loyal subscribers already know about the orange glow, but if you don't know and you want this shine that my table has, go get you some orange glow. You will not regret it, okay?
You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration.
Now, all right, y'all. The kitchen and dining area took about 26 minutes. We have 34 minutes left to go, and I am headed into the living room. Now, I wanted to give myself a little extra time because I did put on my to-do list this day that I wanted to go ahead and clean out these couches. It had been a while, and whew, they needed it. You guys are going to see in just a minute, okay?
Knowing that you're not beside me, love of mine, love me for a while. Love of
Now, what I tell y'all, this was a hot mess. It had been a while since I cleaned it out. I can't blame anybody but myself because I knew that the couch needed to be cleaned out. But you know what? It's not always a priority. But this day, it was a priority, and we got it all the way together.
trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine, love of mine. If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this, I just don't want this moment to end.
So at this point, I had about 17 minutes left, and as always, I had a load of laundry to fold. This day, I only folded towels because I was really getting short on time. And even though I was rushing through my cleaning, I kind of like to pace myself as much as I can. But I was super happy with the amount of things I was able to accomplish in this hour, you guys.
No space, just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this, I just just don't want this moment to end. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. Too damn late to reply, so I lost my place in the line to the house of shake, where I was hoping to find a babe. Yeah. Ooh, 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 225 lucky stars on a cheek.
All right, you guys, we are wrapping up this power hour. I hope it was motivating for you guys so that you can get up and tackle some cleaning and go about your day. If you enjoyed, please do not forget to leave me a like. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Don't forget to go check out Ebony's video once you're done watching mine. Her link is in my description box. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
So